In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning gradient background using Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, a social media post, or any other creative project, a gradient background can add a touch of elegance and depth to your design. So, let's dive right in and see how you can achieve this in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to open your Canva account and navigate to the design project where you'd like to add the gradient background. If you don't have a specific project in mind, feel free to start a new one by clicking on the Create a Design button and selecting the dimensions that suit your needs. Once your project is open, it's time to set the scene for your gradient masterpiece. Next, click anywhere on the blank page to select the entire canvas. This action ensures that the background is ready to be modified with the gradient effect. You'll notice that a toolbar appears at the top of the screen once your page is selected, providing you with various design tools. Now, direct your attention to the colored circle icon in the toolbar at the top. This icon represents the color palette options available in Canva. Click on this circle to open the color menu. Here, you'll see a variety of color options, but for the purpose of creating a gradient, you'll want to select the gradient option from this menu. Once you've clicked on the gradient option, you'll be presented with a range of preset gradient color schemes. These are a great starting point and can be customized to suit your design preferences. Feel free to experiment with different combinations until you find one that fits the aesthetic you're going for. You can adjust the colors by clicking on the individual color stops and selecting from Canva's extensive color palette. Remember, the key to an eye-catching gradient is to choose colors that complement each other well. If you're aiming for a more subtle look, try using colors that are in the same family, like different shades of blue or green. For a bolder appearance, you might mix contrasting colors to make the gradient pop. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a beautiful gradient background in Canva. This simple yet effective technique can transform your design by adding visual interest and depth. Feel free to explore different gradients and color combinations to find what best suits your project. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now ready to integrate gradient backgrounds into your designs with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Canva.